Hello everyone and welcome to the 3 Steps Trading. This is a course which will show you all necessary skills you need to start trading on the Forex market. The course is called 3 Steps Trading because it has 3 steps divided into 7 sections. The first step contains 1 section, the most attention is dedicated to the second step and it consists of 4 sections, and the third step contains 2 sections. Now let's briefly go through each of these sections to learn more details about the content of our course. Step 1 or first section is made for beginners. In this section, some general things about Forex will be discussed, like the participants in the Forex market, trading platforms, important trading terms such as pip, spread, long short position, stop loss, take profit, bid-ask price, pending orders, and other important concepts that you cannot start trading in this market without it. As we said, the first part of the course is made for beginners, so if you are a little more advanced trader or you are already familiar with the mentioned terms, feel free to skip it. Beginners are advised to patiently examine this part of the course because it is necessary to gain some theoretical knowledge before you made your first trade. Step 2 has 4 sections, of which 3 are dedicated to the technical analysis. Why do we pay so much attention to the technical analysis? Well, because it is used by almost all professional traders on the stock exchange, and it is impossible to do a serious analysis of any financial instrument without using tools of technical analysis. So the second section consists of 11 lessons and it explains the basic concept of technical analysis, such as trends, channels, levels of support and resistance. Then a few lessons are dedicated to the Fibonacci retracement and extension levels, followed by Elliott waves, which are besides Fibonacci one of the most important items of technical analysis. In section 3, we talk about the most common patterns of technical analysis, such as head and shoulders, double top, double bottom, triangles, rectangles, and flags. In addition to the explanation of patterns and the correct way of marking, we also show the levels for entering the position with defined stop loss and take profit orders. Section 4 deals with the technical indicators and oscillators. Since they generally only used as confirmation to enter the trade, we explained only the most important items of each indicator. There is no need to go into detailed analysis. Section 5 is dedicated to fundamental analysis. There will be a short story about economic indicators that have a huge impact on the movement of currency pairs on the market. And of course, we will talk about economic calendar, which should be one of the most important tools of each trader. With this, step 2 is completed and there are 2 more sections left in step 3. Step 3 is dedicated to the trading strategy that we use. Section 6 has 7 lessons. The first lesson speaks generally about the harmonic patterns. Then the following are lessons in which we describe in detail the rules of our strategy. Each lesson deals with one different pattern, and with it you have some extra materials that you can download and use. Also, one lesson shows real examples that we had in trading, but we were unable to record it, so we used screenshots. The last section shows live trading with harmonic patterns on the real account. Here we show profit position and loss position examples. Also, we show how to find positions, how we define each pattern, how do we set pending orders, and how to manage open positions. This would be a brief overview of our course. This lesson will have a free preview so that everyone will be able to see it, and based on it, it's easier to decide whether to enroll our course or not. We hope that your decision will be positive. Thank you very much for your attention and hope to see you in the next lesson.